How to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook app and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap on three-bar icon on your right-hand side. Now, in order to change your Facebook to your digital creator, tap onto your name. Then here you will see a three-dot icon. Tap onto it. Here you can see the option of turn on professional mode. Tap onto it, then tap on turn on. As you can see that tapping on turn on professional mode, you can be identified as a digital creator, you can get paid for your content, also see content and sites, and let more people follow your account. Let's go ahead and tap on turn on. Now as you do so, you can also choose your default audience if it's gonna be public, your friends, or custom. Let's go ahead and tap on friends and tap on next. Then tap on confirm. Tap on to done. Now as you can see that this is a digital creator. When somebody search for your profile, they can see digital creator just beside your name, and all your friends will be your followers. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then please comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload.